In this video you will see how to add black border in MS Word like this. It's very easy. To add black border in Word document, first you need to click here on the design tab, and at the right hand side you will see the option of page border. Just click on this option to see this dashboard. Now on this board you need to click on the page borders tab and then select the option box. You can see the preview here. When you click on the box option, a border appears around the page. You can select different styles of border, dash, dotted, double line, etc. as required. For this tutorial I am selecting here solid black line, and next to the color you can select the color of the border. Here you can see the shades of black color, so I am selecting here dark black, and the width is the thickness of the border, so I am selecting here 4.5 points, and I want to apply this to whole document, so I am clicking on the whole document, and after clicking on the OK, as you can see the black border has been applied to the pages. In case you want to remove these black borders, you can always go to the home tab, and here you will see the option of border and shading. Click on page border tab and just select the option none. You will see the preview that the border has gone, and then click on OK to completely remove the black border in MS Word document. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to add decorative borders to MS Word document. See you again in the next one.